watching it. This is Ethereum. So Bitcoin, it hasn't done much of anything at all. It fell, it respected structure, but as you can tell, we had it set up, but Ethereum pushed through, regardless of any type of structure. If you saw the last video last night, then yeah, you saw me try to make a small trade on this one, but yeah, now we are about to hit 1,000 in some few short moments. As the owner of the asset, hey, I'm in at least. I'm in a trade on Bitcoin, but not in a trade on this one. But yeah, we're like just a few bucks away from seeing some good results. It looks like it could try to drop again, maybe, but I wouldn't even bet on that. Well, at the same time, it could be seen as symmetrical. And then just, yeah, I'm more for that. And it pushing much higher. So let's get this money. Maybe, or might just maybe, retest the area and rise. Well, we can pat ourselves on the back now. Looking at Ethereum, it broke 1,000. It tapped it earlier, now it's officially broken. And it's at 1,073 right now. It's pushing much higher. We're good. We're good. Now, the main target right now is about 1422. It's an old high. That's what we're looking for it to actually push to. So, it's looking like we may get some pretty good gains. But at the same time, it's been going for a while. So, it wouldn't be a surprise if it actually did retrace at some point. But at the same time, I wouldn't be shocked if it just kept pushing to that 1400 mark. That's the hope, that's the expectation. So let's hope that it actually meets our hopes and expectations. So what are your thoughts so far as Ethereum is concerned? Do you believe that it's going to fall, or do you personally believe that it's going to continue? Feel free to put your thoughts and opinions in the comments, and feel free to give this video a like, and feel free to subscribe.